English and Kurdish. Today we are going to learn English and Kurdish verbs with sentence. If you are ready, let's start together. هفالين جاهن بخير هاتن سرقان على إنجليزي و كردي. أما إيرو بهفدرا سرزمان إنجليزي و كردي كلمة و پیو و گوتن لیکر و چیکران فیر ببنه، هین ببنه، و ببنه بعلمنه. گر هون حاضرن آمادن ام بهفدرا دست ببکن. In English, to come. In Kurdish, hatın. Let's look at in sentence. For example, in English, I come. The meaning of I come in Kurdish as them. As them. I come. As them. In English, to go. In Kurdish, çun. Çuyin. Let's look at the sentence in English and in Kurdish. You go to the chi. The meaning of to in English, you. The chi means go. Altogether, to go in Kurdish, çun. Learn English and Kurdish. The another verb is to run. Lekerama den ravine. Ravin. Ravanden. Çun. He runs in English. Ev dreve in Kurdish. Ev dreve. He runs. هفالين هیچا گر هون آبونه و شپاندنه به قناله بکن او قنالا زو بزو پیش بکوه زبو سرزمان کردی و انگلیزی. To sleep. In English, I sleep. In Kurdish, as radikevim. The meaning of to sleep in Kurdish, raketin, khawtin, razandin. In English, to see. In Kurdish, ditin. Ditin. To see. Benumuna, beminak. For example, you see. To dibini. Ditin. To dibini. Another verb is to talk. In English, to talk. In Kurdish, ahaftin. Ahaftin, qesekirdin, khabardan. We talk am the ahafin. In English, to listen. In Kurdish, bihistin. Bistin. Bihistin. Göhdan. Gudan. He listens. Ev dibize. Ev dibihize. Udkarım bejin. Ev dibize. Ev göhdide. To listen. In English, to stand. In Kurdish, rabun. Rabun. To stand. We stand. Am radibin. Let's look at another sentence together or repeat it together. To come. In Kurdish, hatın. I come as them. You go to the chi. He runs. Ev dreve. I sleep as radikevim. You see to divini. We talk ام دآخفن. He listens أو دبيزة. We stand ام رادبن. So that there are some verbs and sentences like a phrasal or phrases we have learned together. See you next lesson.